This link will be emailed to each hostess. It will be your personal link. It is this link that you will invite guests either in an email, Facebook, and any other social media platform, just like I did today. Your link will bring you to this page when you open it. Each guest will click to RSVP to the party. Here you will learn about the business, the hostess, and your consultant. In this slide, you will see tabs. Click on My Favorites, where you will find all the shoes you have starred. If you miss any posts or want a second look at a post that has already shown, click on the blue arrows or use the Jump to Post button. Then select the post and click the large blue button again, Jump to Post, in the center of your screen.